Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate proposals so that you can get precision leads faster and smarter than ever. In fact, only about 34% of proposals for professional services actually secure projects or contracts. So with an average bid to win ratio of around 5-2, how do you stand out with a proposal that doesn't just check the boxes, but actually wins? And if you're new here, I'm Ivan and I help you design better for your business. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe so that I can help more brand builders just like you. All right, let's dive in. The goal of a business proposal is to secure funding, approvals, or whatever buy-in you're looking for. And lucky for us, I'm going to show you how to do that with a lot less guesswork. So first up, generating a convincing proposal using AI. You can literally start from a simple text prompt. Here's how. Step 1, you're going to head to visme.com and log into your dashboard. Well, if you're new, you can create a free account and test out all the features that I'll be talking about today. Then you're going to hit on Create, New Project, and Generate with AI. That's going to launch the AI chatbot. Step 2, so in the pop-up, you're going to describe what your proposal is about. Be detailed, mention everything. Mention your goal, the type of client or audience, and any visuals that you want to include. The more context, the better. So in step 3, the chatbot will give you some visual style options. Pick the one that fits your brand or your vibe, and once you choose it, it generates your copy and layout all in one go. It's like a creative partner on autopilot. Now, step 4 is going to be where we customize it. Visme gives you the full control to change the color theme, update fonts, and add your own visuals, or use your image and icon library. You can even generate brand new visuals using Visme's AI tools. This speeds up the entire process, especially if you're like me and want something polished without spending hours on the design. Take a look at all these beautiful proposal templates. These were all generated using Visme AI. Now, let me show you a few other things that really help me power through proposal creation. First, you can upload content or you can even paste in a URL of an existing document or web page. The AI is going to scan it, extract what it needs, and suggest a layout for you. It even tells you what file type it works with so that you know right away if your content is usable. Once your content is previewed and you approve it, it'll get baked right into your proposal design. It's kind of magical. Second is we need to add interactivity. This is a game changer. You can add animations, videos, pop-ups, or even hotspots with extra info. You can make your proposal feel like a microsite. And if you're sharing it via live link, you can turn on flipbook mode, which gives it your stakeholders an immersive scrollable experience. And you can even embed it on your website. Third is the branding on steroids. This is where a lot of proposals fall flat, but with Visme, it's easy. You can set up a brand kit with your logo, fonts, or color palette, or let the AI brand wizard do it for you. Either way, your proposal stays on brand every time. I like the brand wizard because it's that easy. I just have to copy in my link and I'm good. And you can even add dynamic fields to populate or update info across every document in your portfolio. Things like contact details, addresses, name of CEO, all updated all in one sweep. Fourth, once you're done, you've got plenty of options. You can download a PDF, image set, HTML5 file, or even share it using a live link. You can even password protect it or embed it privately on your website. Now, if proposals feel a little bit overwhelming, let me walk you through a quick breakdown of what to include that has landed me several winning deals over the years. The first thing needs to be your executive summary. Quickly explain the problem your project aims to solve, the solution your project provides to solve the problem, and the impact your project is expected to have. Number 2 is going to be the project objectives and background info. The third section is to discuss the proposed solution. Some information to include in this section is a technical explanation, scalability, software needed, or any materials involved. User experience notes like usability and accessibility should also be included in this section. Then you want to outline the project deliverables. This includes timeline and expected outcomes. The fifth section is going to highlight the resources you need. Include a breakdown of the budget required to execute the project. This includes everything from human resources and their salaries to technology, equipment, supplies, data, logistics, contingency funds, and a whole lot more. And after that, you're going to want to describe your team and expertise. It's important to highlight the skills and experience each member brings to the project. The goal is to convey a sense of confidence in your team's abilities. In section 7, you'll make your conclusion. To make your project proposal stand out, it's crucial to wrap it up in style. Wrap it up with a strong call to action. What should the client do next? Click, book, approve, you tell them. The conclusion should summarize the problem your project aims to solve and your proposed solution. While emphasizing the impact of your project, make sure to keep this section relevant and to the point. Close with a compelling CTA that nudges your clients to take the action. Let's say that you want to link a button in your proposal. Super easy to do with Visme. And if you're in doubt, don't forget the 4 C's to increase your chance of winning a proposal. Customer focused, Clear, compelling, competitive. Customer focus means a well-rounded crafted proposal should be tailored to meet the client's specific needs and requirements. Clear means the proposal must be well-structured, concise, and easy to comprehend. Compelling means utilize persuasive language and compelling visuals and make a well-crafted value proposition. And then competitive, the proposal should demonstrate that you are superior to the competition. And so that's it for today. With Visme powered by AI, you can make beautiful and convincing business proposals faster than ever. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of proposal that you're working on next. As always, I'm Ivan from Visme, helping you design better for your business. Catch you in the next one.